So, you want to jump into the world of professional networking, the place with all the routers, the switches, the real hardware that makes the internet actually work? Well, you need a place to start. And let me tell you, the JNCI got Junos certification from Juniper Networks. That is the perfect first step. Okay, let's get into it.
All right, here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk about why this cert is your perfect starting point. Then, we'll peek under the hood and see what makes the Junos engine tick. After that, we'll get into mastering the command line. And finally, we'll lay out exactly how you can use all this to launch your career.
So, first things first, we got to answer the #1 question on your mind, right? What's in it for you? Why should you put your time and energy into this? Let's find out.
Well, let's just cut right to the chase. Money and a great job. Earning your JNCIA Junos opens the door to really important roles, like a network support engineer or working in a network operations center, a NOC. And the pay? We're talking average U.S. salaries anywhere from $65,000 to $85,000. This isn't just about learning something new. It's a direct line to a real in-demand career.
And right about now, you might be thinking, but wait, I'm just starting out. I don't know anything. That's the whole point. This certification was built from the ground up for beginners. You don't need to know anything about Junos or even networking theory to get started. It's designed to be your very first step.
So to really get what's going on, you have to understand the environment, the world these devices live in. Most big company networks are built like this, in 3 layers. You've got the access layer down at the bottom. That's where your computer or your phone connects. Way at the top is the core, which is the super fast backbone. And in the middle, the aggregation layer connects them all together. This whole structure is the playground for Juniper hardware.
Okay, so that's the big picture. Now for the really fun part. Let's pop the hood and see what actually makes this stuff tick. We're going to look at the hardware and software that make up the powerful Junos engine.
And believe me, when I say powerful, I mean powerful. Just take a look at the MX series family. These aren't just little boxes you buy at a store. We're talking a whole range of devices, from small but mighty routers to absolutely massive systems that power the internet for huge service providers. This is the heavy machinery of the digital world.
Let's get a closer look at one of these beasts, the MX240. This is what's called a chassis-based router. That means it's not just one solid thing, it's modular. You can slide different cards or blades in and out to give it new powers, like super high-speed fiber ports or specialized security features. It's totally customizable. So, how in the world do these things move data so fast? Well, the secret sauce is this brilliant separation of tasks. Think of it like the brain versus the brawn. The routing engine, or RE, that's the brain. It's running the operating system, figuring out the best way to send traffic, and basically managing everything. But the packet forwarding engine, the PFE, that's the brawn. It's pure, specialized hardware built for one thing and one thing only, moving data packets at insane speeds. And here's what that looks like on paper. The brain, the routing engine, lives on what we call the control plane. That's where all the thinking happens. The brawn, the packet forwarding engine, lives on the forwarding plane, and it just moves data. By keeping them separate, the brawn can keep working at full throttle even if the brain is super busy. This design is, without a doubt, a core strength of Junos. Okay, so we have this amazing hardware, but how do you actually talk to it? How do you tell it what to do? Well, that brings us to the command line interface, or CLI. This is the skill you have to have, and you're about to see why the Junos way of doing things isn't just powerful, it's incredibly safe.
This right here is the absolute magic of Junos. It's a total game changer. See, most other systems, when you type a command, boom, it's live. Scary, right? But Junos gives you a sandbox. The active configuration is what's running the show. But you make all your changes in a separate candidate configuration. You can build, edit, and check your work as much as you want without touching the live network.
So this creates this beautiful, safe workflow. You go into configuration mode, you type out all your changes in the candidate config, and then, and this is the best part, you can run a command that shows you only the changes you made. No more scrolling through thousands of lines of code. Once you see it's perfect, you type one word, commit, and your changes go live. It's just so logical and stress-free.
Engineers who use this for the first time, they just fall in love with it. It's so good. Chris Parker put it perfectly in one of the beginner's guides. It's that aha moment when you realize the system is actually designed to help you and prevent mistakes. It's just fantastic.
Okay, we've seen the why, we've seen the what, now for the how. The final and most crucial part. How do you get on this path from learning to earning, like right now?
And this is maybe the best news of all.
The biggest hurdle for getting into networking used to be the crazy cost of the gear. Well, that's gone. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars on a router. You can learn and master everything we've been talking about using free software on the computer you already own.
And I'm talking about tools like these. GNS3 and EVNG are amazing, free programs that let you build entire virtual networks on your laptop. You can download official trial versions of the Junos software and run them inside these tools to build and break whatever you can imagine. It's your own personal lab.
But honestly, if you want the absolute easiest, fastest way to get started, Juniper has you covered with VLabs. It's a free web-based platform. You don't have to install a single thing. You just log in, pick a pre-built network lab, and a whole virtual environment just appears, ready for you to use. You can literally be practicing in the next 5 minutes. So what do you do right now today? It's simple. Go to Juniper's website, make a free account. That's your key to the kingdom. It lets you download the software and get into VLabs. My advice? Fire up VLabs right away. It is the fastest path to getting your hands on the keyboard and actually doing this. The path is all laid out for you.
Look, everything you need to kickstart a brand new career in networking is right there at your fingertips. It's powerful, it's accessible, and most of it is completely free. The tools are ready, the knowledge is waiting, your virtual lab is fired up. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build first?
For free JNCIA practice test, you can either click the link in the description or simply scan the QR code on the screen.